Then check this out.
Ready now? Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks. Alright, so earlier throughout the week we made us a simple TikTok channel, and I wanted to see if I could get sales using TikToks you can make in seconds. Alright guys, that's the idea. I have no idea if this will work or not. Plus it gives me an idea, for more videos to make, more content to make for you guys. And I'll show you every single thing, all the results, whatever happens, right? Whatever happens, happens. And I'm going to show you guys that. Alright, so first off, before we get started, the links are in the description below if you want to follow along. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I know you get sick of me saying it, but it helps. And let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, let's go over to our TikTok page and see if we are getting any followers here. Let's see. So we're gonna refresh here. It looks like we did go up. Let me refresh and see what's going on. Okay, so we still growing very slowly, but we are growing. We have 87 followers here, which is absolutely fine. It's organic growing, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we go over here and we want to find a quote on Becoming Strong doesn't start in the gym, it starts in your head. That's a good one. I like that one. Becoming Strong. I already found one before I even started searching. That's it. All right. Terrible at typing, by the way. All right, so do that. We make it a little bigger. I like that. I like how that looks. Okay, we'll go with that. Now, what color are we gonna use? I want to use red. I think I'm gonna use red. It starts in your head. Yeah, you gotta kind of have the mindset first before you can even get anywhere. Okay, so we'll go with red. Yeah. Let me see what the colors I've been using lately. Okay, blue, green, yellow, red. Alright, so we're gonna use orange. I'm gonna go with orange instead, guys. I don't want to be too repetitive. We're gonna go with orange. Yeah. Gonna slap that in. We'll go with red the next one, I think, maybe, I don't know. But we're gonna go with orange so we don't be as repetitive. So we got our message here. Already finished. Okay, so now in the next step we go to pencils here. And we put in what beach, astonishing view, vacation island, luxury, something like that. We'll go with beach. Want to go to video, we want to filters, we want vertical. And we're gonna just scroll down a bit until we get to some we ain't seen before. Let's go with this one. It looks pretty nice. Okay, we're gonna put that right there. Does it make noise? Don't matter. Mute it. Set it to the bike like this. Place background. Got that done. Alright, so now we need to find a song. We're gonna find a different song here. I like going to Chosic here and picking motivational or something like that. Then we're gonna go to page like 4, 5. Go 5. Now we're gonna lower the volume so my mic don't pick up the music here, mess you guys up, but I can still hear it. So anyway, I'm finna check now. Just give me a second. I like Epic. I like music like this a bit more, I think. I'm gonna go to the next. I kind of did it got Cyberpunk. Just give me a minute, guys. I'm sorry I'm taking so long. I'm very sorry about that. I'm just trying to find something that kind of fits with like uplifting, you know what I mean? Just try to find some uplifting type music. And I don't pick a lot of songs already. That's another problem. So I probably could just go to my list and just pick one. I want to pick a new one for you guys though. Yeah, I like this one. We're gonna go with this one. Found one. All right. Put that there. All you gotta do, audio, drag that in there. And we want to put it started at the beginning there. We're gonna lower it to about 6. Needs to be a good spot for it. By the way, I want to make this video a little bit cleaner. So what I do, hit the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Usually makes it a little cleaner looking. Now let's see how it plays. I like it. All right, so it's done. So we just download it. Now we gotta find some more information here. We're gonna go with we're gonna change some of these quotes here. Now let's see. Let's try. We just gonna try some different ones here and there. See if we can get better results. So let's replace inspiration with I don't know, man. Did change a couple of quotes here around a bit. We're gonna find our schedule, figure out what our schedule is. It is okay. Today's Sunday, right? So 7 a.m. So okay, 7 a.m. All right. Now what? Mindset is everything. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it like that. That's ultimately fine. What's the time? 7 a.m. Oh, got to change that. 7. All right, we looked at it right. Okay. Okay, so all we doing now is just waiting for the video to download. That's all that we are doing now. There it go. Pop that in there. Let that upload there. Wait but a second. And we are done, guys. That's all that it is. Let it check real quick. Copyright, no results. Boom. We're done, guys. That's all that it takes. So easy to do. It doesn't hurt your day to do it. Get it done real quick and move on with your day. Possibly make some money. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Links in the description, like I said before. If you want to follow along with $25 online business, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.